Hey guys, this is Tuesday, and here I am to tell you about how to annotate your text today. Now, since we're reading Christmas every day, I thought we should have another view of my Christmas tree back here. You can see this is Santa's suit right here, so if he gets dirty coming down the chimney back there, then he has new clothes to put on. Seriously, it works. So, as you're reading the text today, you're going to need a different color than you had yesterday. Yesterday I told you to use like a blue or a black pen, or maybe you could use a pencil to annotate. So this time you're on a different color. And as you're reading, you're looking for clues about the setting. Now the setting is where does it take place, and time and place and that kind of stuff. You're going to be looking to see if it's real or realistic, and if it is, you're going to put an S for, this talks about part of the setting, and then make a couple notes about that. Then you're going to be reading it, and you have to figure, is this fiction or nonfiction? And you're going to have to maybe make some notes there too. You would say S to tell me it's about the setting. When you're trying to figure out if it's set in the future, the past, or the present, or a combination of those, you're going to put an S by things that will give you a clue about the time that it took place. And then again, when you put that S, you're going to want to put some notes so you know what that S means. Also, if it's a combination of times and places, that's okay. You need to be specific about the evidence that you see as you're reading. So you're going to put an S and make some notes. And then anytime the setting changes through the story, if there are changes through the story, you need to mark that with the S and then make notes about it. So this is going to mark up this text by doing that. Then the other thing we're looking at as you're reading today are the elements of plot. And so you need to put an E where you think the exposition is taking place. The E is for the exposition. Then when you think you're in the part of the story that's the rising action, what do you think you're going to put? Yeah, put an R and an A. And then C is the climax. C is the climax. Figure out where that is. Then where you think you're getting into the falling action, what do you think you're going to put? Right, an F, A, falling action. And then finally, when you're to the place of the resolution, you will put an R for resolution. Now, I'm not going to reread this text to you today, but I would encourage you, and I will add it as the next link, to go ahead and let me read it to you like I did last night. I read it here last night, but read it yesterday. And as you're going through, remember to be marking stuff about the setting and about the elements of plot, the exposition, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, and the resolution. When you're done reading a second time, and I really do want you to take your time marking up this text, because I haven't marked it up yet, but this is just my marking up of the first page from yesterday's reading. I will go through and do the same thing again, because I'm doing just like you are as I go through all 7 pages, and then you will work on the setting sheet that has those fancy pants Christmas trees on it, and the exposition sheet that looks like this, that has a gift in the background. So that's what you're working on. It'll be so much fun, and we'll make lifelong friends, and it'll be a wonderful day. Now, for extra credit, if you come up to me and say hazelnut, you will get a prize. I don't know what it is yet, but I'll know by tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.